Exploring numbers and basic operations. In a colorful town filled with curious kids and friendly neighbors lived a young boy named Nail. Nail had a keen interest in exploring and learning about the world around him. One sunny morning, as he strolled through the town square, he noticed something intriguing. A math fair was being set up. Excitement bubbled within Nail as he approached the fair. The fairground was adorned with vibrant banners displaying numbers, symbols, and mathematical puzzles. There were booths with games, activities, and friendly faces eager to share the joy of math. Nail's eyes widened with wonder as he spotted a booth named Counting Carnival. At the booth, kids were busy arranging colorful blocks in order. Nail joined in, stacking the blocks from 1 to 10. He felt a sense of accomplishment as he completed the tower. A friendly math enthusiast named Safi approached Nail. "Great job, young mathematician. Counting is like putting things in order, just like you did with those blocks." Nail beamed with pride. "Thank you. I love seeing how everything fits together." Safi nodded and invited Nail to explore more. Nearby was a booth called Addition Alley. Kids were solving addition problems using marbles as counters. Nail watched as they added marbles together to find the total. Nail's curiosity got the best of him, and he decided to give it a try. Safi handed him a set of marbles. "Imagine marbles as friends joining in a game," Safi said. "Addition helps us find out how many friends are playing together." Nail started adding marbles, his excitement growing with each sum he solved. He realized that math was like a puzzle, with numbers fitting together to create a bigger picture. As Nail moved along, he encountered a booth called Subtraction Street. "Here, kids, we're using colorful balls to learn subtraction." Nail watched attentively as they removed balls to find out how many were left. Safi explained, "Subtraction helps us figure out how much is left after we've taken some away. It's like sharing toys and knowing what's left for everyone." Nail tried his hand at subtraction, carefully removing balls and counting what remained. He understood that math wasn't just about numbers, it was a way to solve real-life problems and understand the world better. Next, Nail reached the multiplication meadow. At this booth, kids were arranging groups of flowers in rows and columns. Nail watched as they counted the total number of flowers by using multiplication. Safi smiled and said, "Multiplication is like making many copies of something. It helps us find the total when we have groups of the same thing." Nail eagerly joined in, arranging the flowers in rows and columns. He counted the petals and used multiplication to find the total number of flowers in the field. He realized that multiplication could save time when dealing with lots of things. Finally, Nail arrived at the division den. Here, kids were sharing an array of candies equally among themselves. Nail observed as they divided the candies to make sure each friend received the same amount. Safi explained, "Division is like sharing things fairly. It helps us split things into equal parts so everyone gets their share." Nail joined the candy sharing activity and learned to divide the candies evenly among his friends. He was fascinated by how math could help ensure fairness and equality. As Nail walked away from the math fair, his heart was full of newfound knowledge and excitement. He realized that math wasn't just numbers on a page, it was a tool that helped him understand the world, solve problems, and share with others. From that day on, Nail embraced math as an adventure. He counted the apples in the market, added up the colorful balloons at a party, subtracted the pieces of a puzzle, multiplied the books on his shelf, and divided his treats with his friends. With each calculation, Nail's confidence grew, and he found joy in discovering the magic of numbers and basic operations. Through his adventures with math, Nail learned that math was not just a subject in school, it was a lifelong skill that could open doors to endless possibilities. Thank you.